Curious about the TrapEAZE technique story? Well, 20 years ago, an acupuncture physician fresh out of school set out to help all of his patients to get better. As a brand new cash practice owner, he had a series of upper back pain patients that came to his acupuncture practice. He felt confident in treating all of them based on what he learned in school. He needled a grouping of 3 different acupuncture points in the upper trapezius muscle on all of them, turned on his trusty TPG infrared heat lamp, let his patients cook, then performed Chinese massage on them and then waited to hear how they felt. After they finished, they all felt relief and he was grateful that he was able to help. However, they all came in only a few times because none of them got long-term results. He crashed and burned hard, but that made him realize that he needed to profoundly change what he was doing and do something very different. He first started out on this process by throwing out acupuncture because it failed to produce astonishing results. Next, he then went about pondering how to positively affect the upper back. Finally, around 5 long years later, he had the rough workings of what was to set the foundation for the TrapEAZE technique. From that foundation, he was able to innovate a way for most of his upper back pain patients to get permanent relief where they can personally feel the changes in their upper back with each treatment session. More so, he was also able to work in how to help the patient's body to start the recovery process before they ever left the treatment room. In those 15 years of development, he whittled the TrapEAZE technique down to only 4 simple steps that takes less than 4 minutes to do. During that time, he discovered that one of its main hallmarks is that the subjective equals the objective. And that means that what his patients feel in their upper back is what he feels with his hands. It's for that reason that he's able to zero in on the degree of their improvement to such an extent that his patients are amazed at his ability to tell them how much better they feel with astonishing accuracy. To discover more about the TrapEAZE technique and how it can help you to eradicate your patient's upper back pain, plus how it can help you to generate brand new targeted upper back pain patients with its integrated doctor's dream marketing system, please go to www.trapeazetechnique.com.